The United Kingdom has accelerated the delivery of hundreds of lightweight multirole missiles, LMM, commonly known as Martlet, to Ukraine, arriving 5 months ahead of schedule. This early deployment is a significant boost to Kyiv's defensive capabilities, offering a timely countermeasure against Russia's increasing reliance on low-cost aerial threats. These missiles are intended to enhance Ukraine's operational readiness in contested airspace, particularly in regions where drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft have become persistent threats. The UK Ministry of Defence confirmed the delivery on October 10, 2025, highlighting the strategic urgency and effective coordination between British and Ukrainian armed forces in executing this accelerated transfer. Developed and manufactured by Thales in Belfast, Northern Ireland, the Martlet LMM represents a new generation of precision-guided air defense technology. Lightweight yet highly effective, the missile weighs approximately 13 kilograms and measures 1.3 meters in length, allowing for easy portability and rapid deployment. It is capable of engaging targets at distances exceeding 6 kilometers, and its semi-active laser guidance system ensures pinpoint accuracy while minimizing the risk of collateral damage. This makes the LMM particularly suited for operations in urban environments and other contested zones where precision is essential. Unlike heavier and more cumbersome air defense systems, the Martlet combines mobility, speed, and precision, providing a highly flexible tool for modern battlefield conditions. One of the defining features of the Martlet LMM is its versatility across multiple platforms and roles. It can be shoulder-fired by individual operators or mounted on land-based and naval systems, including light vehicle turrets and the Stormer HVM tracked launcher. Its Mach 1.5 flight speed and low infrared signature make it difficult for enemy sensors to detect and track, enhancing survivability and operational effectiveness. The missile is designed to neutralize drones, rotary-wing aircraft, fast inshore attack craft, and, in some scenarios, lightly armored ground targets. This multi-role capability is crucial for Ukrainian forces facing a range of threats that vary from low-cost unmanned systems to fast-moving helicopters and small surface vessels. In the context of the ongoing conflict, Ukrainian forces have already integrated the Martlet LMM into mobile air defense units, deploying them on pickup trucks and light armored vehicles equipped with electro-optical tracking systems. This approach enables rapid repositioning and quick reaction times, allowing forces to respond effectively to Russian drone incursions and helicopter raids. In the eastern and southern theaters, where Russian air activity is persistent but often fragmented, such agility has proven essential for maintaining control of the airspace. The missiles have been particularly effective against Russian reconnaissance drones, such as the Orlan-10, and loitering munitions like the Lancet, as well as low-flying Ka-52 Alligator and Mi-24 Hind helicopters that pose direct threats to frontline units and critical infrastructure. The Martlet's warhead features a blast-fragmentation design optimized for lightly armored and low-signature targets. Its fuse mechanism includes both impact and proximity modes, which increases effectiveness against small, fast-moving aerial systems. Unlike heavier air defense platforms, which can be expensive and limited in mobility, the LMM offers a cost-effective solution with high availability, making it suitable for both wide-area coverage and point defense of essential sites. This allows Ukraine to field a substantial number of launchers without overextending resources, ensuring that critical areas remain protected even during sustained operations. The integration of Martlet missiles into Ukraine's broader air defense architecture supports a layered defensive approach. Positioned below medium and long-range systems such as NASAMS and IRIS-T, the LMM addresses the growing threat posed by swarms of drones and low-altitude aircraft, filling a critical niche in defending against saturation attacks. Its relatively low cost, rapid deployability, and precision targeting capability make it an ideal complement to more substantial air defense assets, providing an additional layer of protection for frontline troops, civilian infrastructure, and high-value military installations. By leveraging these strengths, Ukrainian forces can maintain a more resilient and responsive air defense posture, reducing vulnerability to asymmetric aerial threats. The accelerated delivery reflects not only the operational urgency but also the high level of logistical coordination between the UK and Ukraine. The transfer is part of a larger £1.6 billion agreement under which the UK provides extensive military support to Ukraine. The second phase of this initiative focuses on deeper integration of LMM systems into Ukraine's sovereign defense network. This includes compatibility with Ukrainian-built vehicles and targeting suites, improved battlefield networking for fire control, and the establishment of localized maintenance capabilities to sustain high operational tempo. Such measures ensure that the missiles can be effectively employed, maintained, and eventually co-developed within Ukraine's defense industry, reflecting a long-term commitment to bolstering Kyiv's self-sufficiency in advanced military technology. The strategic importance of the Martlet LMM becomes even more pronounced as the conflict continues and Russia intensifies the use of unmanned aerial systems and low-flying aircraft. These threats have been a recurring challenge for Ukrainian forces, particularly in contested areas where traditional air defense assets may be overextended or unable to respond rapidly. The Martlet provides a mobile and precise countermeasure, allowing Ukrainian forces to respond dynamically to changing battlefield conditions. Its lightweight design ensures that it can be quickly redeployed to where it is most needed, supporting both defensive operations and offensive maneuvers where air superiority is contested. In addition to frontline deployment, the Martlet is expected to play a critical role in protecting critical infrastructure from aerial threats. As Russia is anticipated to escalate drone and missile attacks on civilian and industrial targets, having a high-speed, accurate, and readily deployable missile system enhances Ukraine's ability to mitigate damage and maintain essential services. The combination of mobility, precision, and ease of use allows for flexible deployment, whether defending urban centers, supply lines, or energy and communications infrastructure. This adaptability not only strengthens operational resilience but also contributes to civilian protection, a key consideration in prolonged conflicts where non-combatant populations are at risk. The Martlet LMM has already demonstrated its operational value in Ukrainian service, with units reporting successful engagements against a range of aerial targets. Its performance underscores the growing importance of light, precision-guided air defense systems in modern warfare, particularly in scenarios characterized by asymmetric threats and dispersed enemy operations. By providing rapid reaction capability and high accuracy, the Martlet enhances the effectiveness of Ukrainian mobile air defense teams, allowing them to maintain a persistent and flexible defensive posture across multiple theaters of operation. This integration of advanced Western systems into Ukrainian tactics reflects both innovation and adaptation to the evolving nature of aerial threats. As the winter season approaches and Russian aerial activity is expected to continue, the timely arrival of Martlet missiles represents a critical reinforcement for Ukraine's defensive efforts. The combination of accelerated delivery, advanced capabilities, and integration into existing defense structures ensures that Ukrainian forces are better equipped to manage the threat landscape. Beyond immediate battlefield advantages, the presence of the Martlet also contributes to long-term strategic resilience, enabling Ukraine to sustain operational momentum and protect civilian populations while countering asymmetric aerial attacks. The introduction of these missiles signals not only the UK's commitment to supporting Ukraine but also the increasing sophistication of Ukraine's air defense strategy in the face of persistent threats. In conclusion, the delivery of hundreds of Martlet LMM missiles ahead of schedule provides Ukraine with a highly capable, flexible, and cost-effective air defense asset. With proven performance against drones, helicopters, and light aircraft, and the ability to integrate seamlessly into mobile and stationary platforms, the Martlet enhances both tactical and strategic defensive operations. Its contribution to Ukraine's layered air defense network strengthens frontline capabilities, protects critical infrastructure, and ensures a rapid response to evolving threats. The accelerated shipment highlights the importance of international cooperation, operational agility, and the integration of advanced technology in modern warfare. As the conflict persists and aerial threats continue to evolve, the Martlet LMM is poised to play a decisive role in maintaining Ukraine's operational resilience and safeguarding both military and civilian assets.